To clean all of these sensors in iRobot Roomba 505 Plus, first of all, let me show you what I'll be using. So I have this microfiber cloth sheet and also a LCD cleaner solution. When you have those things, then you can start cleaning. So turn your robot upside down first, and that way we'll be able to find all of the filters. I mean sensors, sorry for that. So we're gonna get our LCD cleaner and fabric sheet, and then we can just spread out that solution like so. And now we can grab it like that and start cleaning our sensors by swiping on them just like that. And after you're done, you should get a dry side of your sheet and then just clean it, wipe it out like this. There's also a front sensor which is located on the front and right here. You can use the same solution, so just wet it down and then clean it with a not wet part of your sheet. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.